before we get to tonight's lightning round, a reminder that you are not going to want to miss the next Investing Club monthly meeting. And it's happening tomorrow at noon. I want you to join me so much that we have a limited time offer happening right now. You can take advantage of it and get the exclusive member benefits at CNBC.com/Flash Club. And now it is time. It's over the light round. Chris Batsbury, Paul Brown, Fernando, same Miss Locke, said about advice. I'll do you play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. I'm going to start with Frank in Ohio. Frank.
Hey, Jim, I bought this stock over a year and a half ago only because I like high yield paying dividends. I've been reinvesting them, and now I want to add some more cash to my position. What do you think of PBR, Jim?
I like PBR, the beer, more than I like PBR, the oil company. I'm going to hit the sell button. Let's go to Ann in Maryland. Ann!
Jim, tell me something good about Enterprise Product Partners.
I will tell you, it's got the best network of fractionators in the country. It's also the best run of the Master Limited Partners. I can't say enough positive things. Let's go to Eric in Georgia. Eric.
Good evening, Mr. Cramer. Thank you for all you do.
Of course.
My stock is one that NVIDIA has invested into $50 million in capital and equipment. What are your thoughts on Recursion Pharmaceuticals?
I have been waiting for someone to bring this stock up. Why? Because when I was at NVIDIA for the great GTC conference, they talked about this company endlessly. I think you have a real winner. The stock went up around the conference and has come right back down. Recursion is for me. As a matter of fact, I may have to do a segment about it. For all I can tell, it's a segment idea. Okay, sometimes that happens. Anthony in West Virginia. Anthony.
By way of South Jersey, Jim, go Birds. I need your blessing on Cheniere LNG.
I'll give you my blessing. I think LNG is terrific. I do believe that because the president has decided to let's just say, put things on hold for others, this guy's a winner. So let's buy it. Okay, now I like the CQP too. I'm going to threat to Toothford. Let's go to Stafford. Stafford. Oh my God, the guy who I don't know if his option's going to be picked up. Stafford in California. Stafford.
Hey Jim, how you doing today?
All right, Stafford, how you doing?
Good, thanks. Hey, I wanted to know your thoughts on Casey's General Store.
Oh man, hidden gem. Love the pizza there. I think you got it. That is a winner, and it should be bought. It's not that expensive, given its growth prospects. I wish they'd split the stock. There. Okay, now we're going to Gregory in California. Gregory.
Hey, Jim. I'm looking forward to the meeting, monthly meeting tomorrow.
We're going to smoke it. I met you at the annual. You were terrific.
Oh, you did? You did? And,
yes, I did.
Consider this a warm-up member question on a club stock that's dropped over $160 in the past couple of weeks before recovering some of that in the last two sessions. But no worries. After paying my annual club membership and buying a couple bottles of Phosphor, I'm still up over 40%. So thanks, club.
Well, no, but what stock is that?
Question.
Huh?
Broadcom.
Oh, my God. Broadcom, it's ridiculous that it's gone down. But, I mean, geez, the company's on fire. And it's almost as good as Phosphor. I said that because my wife sometimes listens like she did in 2007. She caught a show. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.